Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about enzyme. So friend, enzyme is very important topic. You have to learn a lot about enzymes. So an enzyme is a protein or RNA produced by living cells, which is highly specific and highly catalytic to its substrates. Enzymes are a very important type of macromolecular biological catalyst. Due to the action of enzyme, chemical reactions in organism can also be carried out efficiently and specifically under mild conditions. Now friend, in this slide I will discuss about history of enzyme. The term enzyme was coined in 1878 by William Cohn. Biological catalyst that had previously been called ferments, manifestations of nature's impatience. The name enzyme enzyme G east literally means in east. Because of most recognizable reactions popularly known as alcoholic fermentation by zymase enzyme in yeast. Now friends, the Dubruford, who prepared malt extract from germinating barley seeds. Time and Parsons prepared an enzyme, the diastase, now known as amylase, from malt extracts. Horace prepared a substance from germinating wheat which acted like diastase. Now this guy succeeded in extracting pepsin and later trypsin. Jacob recognized with remarkable foresight the catalytic nature. Pasteur demonstrated that alcoholic fermentation was brought about by the actions of living yeast cells. And James Summer at Cornell University isolated and purified an enzyme, the urease, from jack bean. So friend, difference from catalysts. Like catalysts, the enzyme do not alter the chemical equilibrium point of a reversible reaction, but only the speed of the reaction is changed. Differ from catalyst in being the biological products produced from the living cells. The enzyme are also are all proteins, and unlike catalyst cannot last indefinitely in a reaction system, since they, being colloidal in nature, often become damaged or inactivated by the reactions they catalyze. They must be replaced constantly by further synthesis in the body. Unlike catalysts, most individual enzymes are very specific in that they act either on single or at the most on some structurally related substrates. Now nomenclature. Enzymes are generally named according to the reactions they catalyze or by suffixing AAC, ACE, after the name of substrate. The International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology developed a nomenclature of enzyme. Each enzyme is described by a sequence of 4 numbers preceded by EC. EC denotes enzyme commissions and the number of enzyme is called EC number. When classified, each enzyme is assigned the EC number in the form of digits separated by periods. The first number categorizes the enzyme based on its reactions. Now friends, the first 3 numbers represent the class, subclass and sub-subclass to which an enzyme belongs, and the 4th digit is a serial number to identify the particular enzyme within a subclass. The class, subclass and sub-subclass provide additional information about the reaction classified. For example, in case of EC 1, 2, 3, 4, the digit indicates that the enzyme is an oxidoreductase class 1 and that it acts on the aldehyde or oxo group of donors, subclass 2, that oxygen is an acceptor, subclass 3, subclass 3, and that it was the 4th enzyme classified in this subclass, serial number 4. The last printed list of enzymes appeared in the year 1992. Since then, it has been updated and maintained online. Now friends, you can see here EC 1, 2, 3, 4, class 1, oxidoreductase, subclass 3, oxygen is an acceptor, EC denotes enzyme commissions, and 2 represents subclass 2 act on the aldehyde or oxo group of donors, and serial number 4, 4th enzyme classified in this subclass. Now friends, classification of enzyme. The 7 major classes of enzyme with some important examples from such some subclasses are here: oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyses or desmolases, isomerases, ligases or synthetases, translocases. So friends, what is the oxidoreductases EC1? This class comprises the enzyme which were earlier called dehydrogenases, oxidases and peroxidases, hydroxylases and oxygenases. The group in fact includes those enzymes which bring about the oxidation reduction reactions between two substrates. You can see A red plus B ox. Under equilibrium it gives A ox and B red. Now friends, catalyze redox reaction and can be categorized into oxidase and reductase. More precisely, they catalyze electron transfer reactions. In this class are included the enzymes catalyzing oxidoreductations of CHOH, CO, CH, NH2, CH double bond NH2, alcohol hydrogenase acetyl coenzyme A, dehydrogenase, cytochrome oxidase and catalase. You can see H2O2 plus H2O2 give 2 atom molecules in O2, A red plus B ox, A ox plus B red. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.